Actually, kasi commitment eh. Lalo na specifically in the Philippines na hindi ka basta-basta pwede mag-divorce, di ba? Syempre, a lot of people know that. And ako kasi, lumaki ako na hiwalay yung parents ko. So, fear ko din yun na ayokong, lumaki ako na maging ganun din yung family ko. So, that's actually one of my, yung number one fear ko talaga, yung maging broken family, yung family ko. So, I think yun, it's everything that comes after getting married talaga. Yung may anak na kayo, pag boyfriend and girlfriend, kasi kung may problema, parang kahit hindi naman madali, pero mas madali malayo yung mag-separate kayo. Pero pag may baby na, tsaka lalo na pag married na, kasi there's a lot of, may legal aspect na rin, di ba, na kailangan nila sa korte and all of that. Pinagdaanan namin yun as a family before, so alam kong mahirap talaga yun for a family. And it's very damaging to the children and to everybody involved. And people really get hurt over that, na it really breaks people. So, talagang pagpapasukan mo siya, kailangan sure na sure ka, and kailangan ready kayong dalawang mag-commit talaga. And that's something that shouldn't be taken lightly. So, I think tama lang naman na medyo may takot konti to approach that level. Kasi kailangan nga na paninindigan mo.